What is BigQuery? That's the question I'm going to answer in this video. But before I dive into what BigQuery is, please make sure to hit the subscribe button on this channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any notifications about new videos from me. So if you're ready, let's dive in. So what is BigQuery? BigQuery is an enterprise data warehouse from Google. So what does that mean? Which basically means that it is a data storage and management system that is used for bringing data from various data sources, such as user interactions on your site, from marketing data, sales data, third-party data that you collect, for the purpose of reporting and analysis. BigQuery makes it very easy to store and manage massive data sets without buying any hardware or infrastructure. It's basically a serverless solution. It's all in cloud and has very easy access. You can simply use web interface or command line to access your data. It has huge SQL processing power, which makes it easy for you to query lots of data in very little time. BigQuery also has support of many third-party vendor tools. These tools allow you to load the data from various sources in BigQuery. Once the data is loaded, there is also connectivity into various data visualization tools for easy analysis and visualization. It's also fully managed, which basically means you do not need to worry about managing any computers. As I said previously, simply log into the web UI and your data is there. It also has built-in privacy and access control, which makes it easy for you to give, read, query, or edit access to certain users based on your business needs. If you like this video, which I'm sure you did, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.